Ever wondered where you can hike through a rainforest, sip on the world's oldest rum, and discover beaches glowing with neon blue light, all in one trip? Let me take you on a journey to Puerto Rico, the island paradise that's bursting with hidden gems just begging to be explored. Alright, let's kick it off with something wild. Did you know Puerto Rico is home to not one but 3 bioluminescent bays? That's more than anywhere else on the planet. Imagine kayaking at night, and every stroke lights up like magic. Mosquito Bay in Vieques is the brightest of them all. Trust me, it's an experience you'll never forget. But this island isn't just about the beaches. Head to El Yunque National Forest, the only tropical rainforest in the U.S. National Forest System. Hike to Lamina Falls, breathe in the mist, and listen for the coqui frog, the tiny creature that's the soundtrack of Puerto Rico. Now if you're a foodie like me, you're in for a treat. Puerto Rican cuisine is a mouth-watering fusion of Spanish, African, and Taino flavors. You have to try mofongo, a delicious mash of plantains, crispy pork, and garlic. And don't leave without tasting lechón, Puerto Rico's legendary spit-roasted pork, especially if you hit the pork highway in Guavade. Wash it all down with a glass of piña colada. Yep, it was invented right here in San Juan. Looking for culture? Old San Juan is a rainbow of cobblestone streets and Spanish colonial history. Snap a selfie at the vibrant Umbrella Street, then wander through the massive Castillo San Felipe del Moro. Local etiquette tip: greet people with a warm buenos dias, and don't be shy. Puerto Ricans are some of the friendliest folks around. Now, let's talk seasons. The best time to visit? December through April, when the weather's perfect, festivals fill the streets, and the holiday spirit lights up the whole island. For a quieter, more local vibe, come in May or late summer. And for the real secret spots, trek to Gozalandia waterfalls in San Sebastian for a swim under jungle canopies. Or, if you crave untouched beaches, check out Playa Bay on the west coast. Soft sand, crystal water, and hardly a soul in sight. Puerto Rico is so much more than meets the eye. So, which hidden gem are you adding to your bucket list? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more epic adventures from your travel guide. See you on the next journey.